welcome to the channel. In this video we will talk about the ticker tape available in Quantower Trading platform, how we can customize that, how we can enable and disable that. So in Quantower, in the top section we can see ticker tape. For some reason, if you don't like it, then you can remove this. So in order to remove it, go to this particular section, then right click, you will see this view. Take your cursor on that, it will open up another menu, and here you can see ticker tape. Just uncheck that. Once you do that, this ticker tape option will not be visible. Now in order to enable this, again we will right click in the top section, then go to view and then ticker tape. Just check this option, ticker tape will be back. Now here we can add and remove and also sort the symbols in whatever order we like. So let's see how we can do that. Now in order to customize this ticker tape, we will right click here, then we see this option called as edit ticker tape. We will click on that. It will open up this items customizer window, and the first thing that we do here is we can see that the values are displayed here in terms of relative change, that is how much percentage each instrument has moved here. And if you want to see the changes in absolute change, then you have this option here. Just click on this and choose absolute change and click on apply. Now you guys can see the changes are displayed in absolute numbers. So this is one thing that we can do in Quantower. Now again we will right click here, edit ticker tape. I always prefer the numbers in relative change, so I'm going to choose that here. Now after that we can add more symbols by clicking on this add symbol button, and also we can remove the symbols by clicking on this delete symbol present in front of these symbols. Now let us see how we can add some symbols here. So we're going to click on this add symbol and we get this option to search for symbols and add them. So here I'm going to search for Nifty -I. Now it will display all the futures symbols in here for me, depending on the search term that I have entered here. Now in order to select a symbol, we just have to click on that particular symbol. It will be highlighted like this. Now if you want to select multiple symbols, then hold down the control key, then scroll and select the symbols. So here I'm going to select these three symbols, and then if I click on this right mark button, now we can see all the symbols that we have added in here. Now we can sort these symbols by clicking on a symbol and dragging to a particular location in here. So we can sort the symbols also. And after that, if we click on apply, we can see that these symbols will appear now in the ticker tape. Now if the space allocated here is filled by the number of symbols that we have, then these symbols will start moving. Just to demonstrate that, I'm going to right click here. I'm going to click on edit ticker tape and I will add more symbols. So I'm going to search here for Tata and I'm going to add some symbols here. And then I'm going to choose this and click on apply. Now since this space is filled, the ticker tape will start moving. So this is it guys. This is how we can customize the ticker tape option available in Quantower Trading platform. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you want to say something, then write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel.